students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do lesson number 5, Chotu's House from your EVS textbook, Looking Around. The main objective of this lesson is to learn the importance of shelter and the importance of personal hygiene. In this presentation, we are going to cover Chotu's story, which is given on pages 30 and 31 of your EVS textbook. So let's begin. The main character of the story is a boy named Chotu who has come to the big city of Mumbai for the first time. As he is poor, he has no place to live and he starts living on the streets. One day it starts raining heavily and people start running towards their home. But poor Chotu, he has no place to go to and he starts shivering with cold. As he starts walking down the streets, he comes across a pipe and he thinks that he can take shelter in the pipe as it would protect him from the rain. So he takes shelter in the pipe and goes to sleep. As days passed by, Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding area into different parts like sleeping area, cooking area, water storage, sitting area, a place to hang the clothes, and so on. Then one day he saw a boy across the street and that reminded Chotu of the old days. That boy was Monu. Monu was new in the city and had no shelter. So Chotu invited Monu to stay with him in the pipe. So children, I hope that you like the story. Now let's discuss some questions related to the story. Okay children, now let's discuss the questions which are given on page number 31. The first question is, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? The answer to this question is, Chotu thought that he can take shelter in the pipe as it would save him from the rain and cold. The second question is, how did Chotu use the pipe? The answer to this question is, Chotu took shelter in the pipe. Now let's move to the third question, that is, into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? As we all saw that in picture number 4, Chotu divided the pipe into different parts like a sleeping area, cooking area, cloth drying area, water storage area, and in the last picture we also saw that he had a sitting area. Now let's move to the next question. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? Now, the answer to this question may vary for each student, as some of you would say that he liked to spend most of his time in the sleeping area, some would say in the sitting area, and so on. So let's move to the next question, which is, why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him? Well, the answer to this question may again vary for each student, but one of the possible answers to this question is that he invited Monu to live with him in the pipe because he saw Monu searching for a shelter. Also, Chotu would feel better if he has a company with him. And children, we'll conclude this presentation by understanding the difference between a house and a home. A house is a building or a structure that is made of cement, stones and bricks. A house becomes a home when someone starts to live there and thinks of it as a place which belongs to him or her. So with this we end our presentation. Thank you.